How to loop backwards in Python. I'm talking about doing something like, I can think of some ways to do so in Python, creating a list of range 1, n+1, and reverse it, using while and I, but I wondered if there's a more elegant way to do it. Is there? Edit. Some suggested I use range instead of range since range returns a list whilst range returns an iterator. But in Python 3, which I happen to use, range returns an iterator and range doesn't exist.
Range and range take a third parameter that specifies a step. So you can do the following, which gives. But for iteration, you should really be using range instead. So, note for Python 3 users, there are no separate range and range functions in Python 3, there is just range, which follows the design of Python 2's range.
This works on basically everything that has a defined order, including range objects and lists.
All of these three solutions give the same results if the input is a string. 1, 2, 3.
If you want to see more, please consider subscribing.